In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatter on Salesforce. If you're new to Salesforce or just exploring its features, Chatter is a powerful collaboration tool designed to help you connect and work efficiently with your team within the Salesforce platform. Let's walk through the steps that will guide you to leverage it for your work needs. First, let's begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Head over to the Salesforce website with your username and password at the ready. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the homepage of your Salesforce dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for navigating through all your Salesforce activities and features. Next, locate the Accounts tab at the top of the dashboard. This will redirect you to the section where all your accounts are organized. It's designed to give you quick access to all the business entities you have stored in Salesforce. Click on it to open up a list of your recent or pinned accounts. These are essentially the clients or companies you have worked with or need to keep track of. Once you have your list open, go ahead and select the specific account you wish to work on or communicate about. Maybe it's an account you're currently managing or one you need to update your team about. Click on the account name, which will take you directly to that account's detail page. Now, while Salesforce has been steering its users towards adopting Slack as the primary collaboration tool, you have the choice to integrate Slack into your Salesforce experience seamlessly. This move has enhanced real-time communication and ensures that you and your team can collaborate efficiently while working on different accounts. If you're already using Slack, this integration can become an invaluable asset. You'll be able to leverage the Slack platform directly within Salesforce, thus aligning all your communications in one consolidated workflow. This allows you to chat, share files, and manage messages more effectively. All you need to do for this integration is to link your existing Slack account with your Salesforce account. This ensures you can utilize all of Slack's communication capabilities as part of your Salesforce Chatter toolset. Once integrated, you'll have access to both platforms without needing to switch between them constantly, streamlining your workflow and making collaboration with your team much smoother. In conclusion, using Chatter on Salesforce in tandem with Slack can revolutionize how you interact within your team, providing seamless and efficient communication. I hope these steps aid you in fully leveraging this integration, making your everyday tasks easier and more connected. Thanks for joining me today, and happy collaborating on Salesforce.